We're gonna let this sit for a moment. Oh wow. We're gonna let this sit.
I told you.
I mean, I'm sure it'll look fine.
Look.
Yeesh. Hey. If you just came from the last video, you can see I'm in the exact same clothes, the exact same makeup, and my hair's parted the exact same way. Because we stopped recording that video like 5 seconds ago. So, welcome to part 5, 6, I don't know, what are those numbers? So, I believe in this video we're going to be doing a bleach bath and then dyeing it pink. Right now, we are going to go to the store, we're going to get treatment that we can put in the bleach, and probably more conditioner, and a darker pink color for shadow roots.
Okay, so what do you predict the final outcome is going to be at the end of this process?
I think I'll end up liking it, but I think it'll look not how I want it. Let's go to a beauty store. See ya. So, right as we were about to leave, the mail came and we have a package from oVertone, which, if you don't know, they're a brand that has curl-safe coloring treatment, like deep treatment stuff, and maintaining conditioner. And they sent us some of their new stuff and a lot of their stuff, so we might not even need to go to the store. We have rose gold deep treatment, which we also have some over there. We have a lot of oVertone. They send us stuff a lot, which is great. And we have extreme pink deep treatment, which would be good for the shadow roots and overall probably to make it look better. We have purple for brown hair deep treatment, which Jonah wanted to try some of this out, so you might get a Jonah dyeing his hair video. So let's move that over there. Then we have extreme orange deep treatment. Fun fact, orange was one of the first colors I wanted to dye my hair. And that was because of the Toralei video we filmed way back in the day. And whenever I was dyeing my hair blue at the place, whenever they bleached it, it was orange. And I kind of considered just leaving it like that. Orange is nice. And here we have another rose gold deep treatment. Our mom she's done rose gold quite a lot. Our mother mixes rose gold with the purple, and she has a nice color. So you can mix these and they'll look good. And this is a colorless hair mask. And that's great as well. And here it looks like we have a bunch of maintaining conditioners. Here we have extreme orange maintaining conditioner, extreme pink, purple for brown hair maintaining conditioner. I hope we see Jonah use these. That'd be nice. Also, I like how cold they feel. That's because it's cold outside. A lot of stuff. Thank you, oVertone. Rose gold maintaining conditioner, and I think this is another rose gold, which I think would also be good for whenever I have pink hair and maybe I want it to look slightly different. I could use this. My hair was like a midnight blue whenever I first dyed it, and I used extreme teal for my hair, oVertone conditioner and treatment, and I think that's the reason why my hair ended up being more green than blue, which is what I wanted. So oVertone helped me get the color that I wanted more instead of a midnight blue. And so that's why my hair was greener, and I like that. So with oVertone, if I wanted to have a more of a coral tone, I could use this every time I shower, and it would gradually change the tone of it, to be more orangey. And if I wanted purple, I could mix in a blue with it. So, since we have this treatment, we're going to see what it does without doing the bleach bath, because the bleach bath would damage my hair, and if there's no need to do it, then why do it? So, we're gonna be doing this instead. What we're trying to do is we're trying to mix colors to get like a peachy pink. And what would be best for that is rose gold with like a little bit of orange. For roots, I just want like a darker pink, and the way you accomplish that, it seems, is with purple. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Is that the purple for brown hair?
Okay, so my hair this is rose gold with a little bit of purple.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want this, or you do?
I don't.
So what's with this?
I don't like purple.
Too purple?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we need to do rose gold with...
It's gonna look lighter in my hair. This color isn't the color that my hair is gonna be.
Okay, so we're gonna do equal parts rose gold and pink.
Alright.
And then we're gonna do a little bit of blue. Or I mean a little bit of purple.
Alright.
This.
Is that purple for brown hair, or do we have it?
No, this is regular purple.
Alright.
Okay, so this is what we're doing for roots.
So we have this peachy orange color that looks way more pink in camera, but hopefully this will fade and look like a nice corally pink. And then we have this dark purple, which I hope looks good on my hair.
So let's do this little guy right here.
Alright.
Okay, and we're picking this one because it's got a good
Amount of blue.
amount of blue in it.
No.
All right, so we're gonna put a little bit on the root. So
Haven't gotten out. It's fine. I can't clean it right now. I don't have any towels or anything.
So we're going to try the pink orangey mixture.
Let me get that before. So we're gonna let it sit there, and then we're gonna wash it out later, and we'll see what that looks like. All right, so here's what the test strand looks like. It's not the best place for a test strand, but the color that I want is this middle color. That's after the shadow root that we put in and before the green. This middle color is the color that I enjoy and like and want. But the green messed up the color into something that I don't want. Like maybe this color would be good for the shadow roots because it's kind of dull and I like that look. So this color would be ideal for shadow roots and this middle color is what I want overall. But I don't know how we would get rid of the green or achieve a different color with shadow roots. I think the shadow roots would end up looking fine if my whole head was this, but we need to get rid of the green. So I think that's what the rest of this video is going to be, us trying to get rid of the green. Right?
Is that what you want to do? You want to go get bleach and do a bleach bath?
Sure. Now, we're going to do a bleach bath. So, I follow my hairstylists who did my hair on Instagram. I'm going to DM them and ask them. Oh, water's on.
This is shampoo and bleach and developer.
Alright, so I have wet my hair and now it is time to do a bleach bath. And my hair is probably a tangled mess. It has been 30 minutes and now it is time for me to wash this off. And I will be back to you with how this looks. It doesn't really look like it's lightening it really well in some places. I mean, it'll probably have a slight difference, but not that much, which is disappointing. But I'll be back once this is washed off. All right, so I have washed it and it didn't do anything, as you can see. I mean, even the pink strand that we did, I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it right now and show you, but it returned back to green at the bottom. And since we didn't do like the root part, that's still pink. I'm sure you can see that slightly, I don't know. But the bottom part reverted back to the green color. And that's great. So, bleaching didn't work, bleach bath didn't work, and the home remedies didn't work. We even tried dish soap while I was washing it, and that didn't work either. So we're going to try a color remover called Color Fix that has worked for other people with similar hair colors to mine. And then if that doesn't work, we're probably going to go to a professional. And my hair isn't like broken or messed up or super damaged because it still has the same texture and it feels like how it should, and it's still the same. It's not like my hair is broken or it's melting or it's a different consistency where it's like Play-Doh or something. It's fine.
Why? Why?
It just didn't work.
I don't understand. All right, well, Daddy went to go get something called Color Fix. Did you tell him that?
Yes. We have obtained Color Fix, which is a hair color remover And this one will hopefully work. I would say should work, but every YouTube video we've watched, things have worked for other people, but not for me. But we watched one where the lady's hair was stained and she used this and it worked. And I hear it smells awful. So this might be like color oops, but maybe it'll actually work. Conditioning catalyst. And number 1, color reducer. So, you can see it, and really nothing has happened. I mean, something happened, but not a lot. And you can see up here, it's more yellow for some reason.
So turn around the back.
And that's weird. Well, I have them all in the front, but you know.
Well, it's definitely in back. It's weird. Look at that. Look at how it got orange.
No blue was going down the drain at all, which was disappointing. And smells awful. I know my bathroom smells even more awful after the color oops thing, so that's great. And I think now we're going to do oVertone. I want my hair to be fully blonde so I can make it a nice pink. We aren't purposely keeping my hair blue for views, which I want it to be not blue, but it seems like there is no color underneath this blue. It is just blue. There is nothing underneath it, it's just blue. The blue has seeped its way into my hair cuticles, and it will stay there.
Okay, so what do you want to do right now to satisfy these people that have been watching for a long time, waiting for your hair to at least have some sort of change?
Well, I've been waiting too. And I want to be satisfied, but I have to wait too.
What about just to do this, the orangey one? You said you've always wanted to have your hair orange.
You know, I guess that makes sense, because basically all the pink washed out, and this will wash out quick enough, and you guys want to see a change, right? So this will be gone soon if we do it.
Did it all wash out? Well, no, there's a little bit of
yeah, but that's
it
the
looks
purple
good.
part. That's the purple part. It'll wash out if I use a whole ton of shampoo. So if I want
to, oVertone works.
and if I bleach it, it'll be gone. oVertone isn't like, it's not gonna damage my hair, and it's not gonna stick to my hair like this blue. So it can easily be washed out. It's good, and it's good for my curls. oVertone smells great, by the way. I love it. So maybe it'll take away the horrible smellingness of the color fix, which only made my hair more yellow and did barely anything to the blue.
So we turned on the camera so you can see what's happening. I've never seen oVertone do this before, where it like changes a color as it, I guess as it processes or as it dries. It's like turning into nacho cheese color and then orange color. And her hair looks like it quite possibly could be Ronald McDonald. Look. So she could come out completely orange. She could come out looking like Ronald McDonald the clown. I don't quite know what the future has in store for Emma's hair.
We're gonna let this sit for a moment. Oh wow. We're gonna let this sit.
I told you.
I mean, I'm sure it'll look fine.
Look.
Eesh.
Look at that.
Ish is the right color.
What?
It'll look fine in the end, I'm sure.
You got Irish hair, Emma.
But it'll fade quick enough, and then I can get the green out of there, because I'm sure it'll fade and there'll be green under it.
Well, because orange is the opposite of green.
Yeah, maybe it'll do something. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We'll see, but I'm sure Mikey was just drinking the toilet. I know
think
he
it is
was.
going to be bright red.
I think it'll be maybe a pinkish. It'll look fine. I know.
I think you're going to be Ronald McDonald. I really do.
I don't. I think it'll be fine, and we're gonna let this sit a while, and then we'll be back to you with it washed and possibly dried. So, I have taken a shower and it's weird. It's a weird color. I mean, it's pink and the color washing down the drain was very pretty, but the color goes light to dark and that's not normal. It looks kind of strange, but I haven't seen it dry yet. And the color's a little weird, a little wonky, not what I want, but it's fine. So, let's go see. See, it's like a, ooh, wow, it's way more orange. I do like how it looks.
I said it was gonna be sunset shimmer.
Well, no, hers is ugly. This is one, I think this will look fine. It's not pink.
Holy cow!
It's orange, but you know.
It's red.
Here, flip it. Wow, that looks so bright on camera.
Wow.
It's definitely not what I wanted, but I'm fine with it.
That does not match the color test.
No. Maybe it'll look different once it's dry. Wow, it looks, I love how, I just like how my hair is. I like how poofy it is. It looks great with this. Wow. It looks much brighter on camera, much more orange on camera, because in real life you can see the pink.
It's not even though, I mean like.
It's 100% not even, like at all. In certain,
You put it on so evenly, you saw how painstakingly.
yeah.
At least there's no green.
No, I don't think there's any green, not yet. But I currently like it. I think I should do a Wendy look and a Merida look. And I'll see if I can find any Monster High characters with this hair color. And my hair feels so soft. Wow. Wow. This is great. So, this is not what I wanted, but I don't mind it. It's nice. And we might end up going to a salon sometime next month and getting it to the actual color I want. But I'll live like this for a while because I'm fine with this.
In camera, it is definite Merida. Like Disney hired Emma.
If you could change your feet, would you? We're gonna do Jonah's hair. I don't know if that counts as a part in this series, but I guess we're gonna have a lot of hair videos now. Because people like that. If you wanna see me straighten my hair, which would be a disaster and would damage my hair, then comment down below if you wanna see that. So, thanks for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, listen to Twitter, and bye YouTube, because those people are here.